Hi, I'm Tim Hay. I focus on growth here at GitLab. And today I'm going to bring you up to date on the work that we've been doing to improve the version app. Before we dive in, I'd like to provide a bit of context. While preparing for Fastboot in September, we interviewed a small group from sales and identified two opportunities that would improve the upsell and true-up workflows. These improvements enhance the workflows for our internal team members, serving self-hosted, mainly our SALs and TAMs, and the changes we made were to an internal app called the version app. Together, while we were in Vancouver, we broke down the two issues and came up with a plan to make small changes over the coming months. At first, we discovered that the version app needed some serious love and attention, but it would take time, so we came up with an idea for an MVC that didn't even involve logging into the version app. What we realized was that the data our users needed could be pulled from various systems into Periscope. So we decided to create a dashboard that would serve as a resource to access important account and usage information in the interim. The first version of the dashboard quickly received positive feedback, so we continued to iterate on it as needed. In parallel, we began to work on the version app, making small changes week over week. I'm about to show you the enhancements that we've made over the past 3 months. The updates that we made can be placed into 5 buckets: reporting, performance, search, user interface, and then the host page updates. The first thing that we did was we created the report. We shipped the overused self-managed licenses dashboard in Periscope, and we've been iterating on it ever since. This report gives users the ability to access a bunch of information all in one place. We even pull in things like the SFDC account link or the Zora subscription link further on down the table. If you log in, you can check it out. On the performance side, we did 2 big things. One, we updated the data structure so usage pings from recent versions of GitLab would record in later versions of GitLab. And we also restored usage pings after the version app moved to Kubernetes Auto DevOps. The biggest notice, or the most noticeable change for these improvements was that the updates made on the host page, like these updates made the host page much faster when searching. Users no longer receive timeouts on the host page when searching. From a search improvement perspective, you're now able to do an MD5 search from the host page. This is helpful when searching for accounts that may have used a random host name unassociated with their company name. We also made the MD5 search correlation with license app, and this allows users to jump to the host page in the version app from the license app. It makes it easier to find hosts associated with a specific license. Next, we'll talk about UI enhancements. We removed the Bootswatch Lumen in preparation to upgrade the version app to Bootstrap 4. This allowed us to update the overall look and feel of the app. You can see from a high level what we did here on the right. What this also allowed us to do was add a hamburger menu, small but meaningful change. And then we also were able to update the pagination links. These really make it look and feel much cleaner and up to date. On the host page, we added 5 new columns, which provides users with more detailed information about their accounts. Right from the table on the host page, they can access things like active user count, you can see the license user count, you can see what version they're on, and the last time that usage ping was checked. Also on the host page updates, we added sorting to the columns. This enables users to sort columns and get to the information that they need quickly. And lastly, on the host page, before, when changing your navigation option, the search criteria would clear when different nav options were clicked. So what we did was we updated the navigation option to maintain the search criteria. So now you won't drop your search when you go from one option to the other. Just to give you a quick recap of the updates, we focused on reporting, performance, search, user interface, and some host page updates. That's all we've got for today. If you have any questions or you want to reach out, you can find us on Slack. Or if you have an idea for a new experiment or you just need some help, feel free to create an issue right in the DevOps on the growth project. And lastly, I wanted to say thank you. There's a pretty big team that worked on this: Brad Downey, Doug Stull, Jackie Frazier, and Eli. So I appreciate it. Thanks, everybody.